Throw it in the fire. Oh!
The roof is gone.
Dude. So he went over the top? He went over the top of the whole thing?
He did. He drove up on top of it.
Wow. Damn. I missed that. Yeah, well, you guys missed a bunch of stuff before I just finally got here with the camera because it was just too crazy. I had to get the video camera.
It was too fucking crazy to miss.
It was too wild. Watch live. Throw it in the burn pile. That shit's moving on its own. Throw it in the burn pile. Ooh, it's not smelling good. It's not smelling good. Ooh. Ew. Is that bad for the environment? Oh shit. Uh-oh. This is bad.
Watching? Who's watching, Josh?
What?
Who's watching?
I don't know. I just started. No one's got here yet.
Got it!
The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker. Burn. Guys, bring over your weenies. It's a hot one. Get you a marshmallow on there. The black smoke makes it taste better. That's what I call a bonfire. It's pretty damn hot. I'm about 20 feet, 25 feet away, and it's like, I wouldn't want to go any closer. It's got a lot of heat. Holy cow. See, he had some meth heads that were camped out and living in his RV over here, that was over here, and well, I guess they won't be living in here anymore because yeah, there's not really much left. Throw it in the burn pile. Oh my god. Is there anything that could explode in there, or is that just this plastic? Because it sounds like something's sizzling pretty. I know, it's like, poof, I know. Uh-oh. Does that explode?
No, Freon's not exploding.
I don't know. I thought you knew what you were doing. Oh, yeah. I do know what I'm doing. I'm burning it, but I'm not. Oh! Yeah, that's something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Yeah, it might blow up with shrapnel.
Chad, get back, dude. Brandon.
Chad, we love you. We just want to make sure you're safe. The parade's tomorrow.
We don't want Christmas decorations to go to hell in a handbasket.
The shrapnel. We want you to be safe, Chad.
Is the TV?
Could have been a tube in the TV.
Yeah.
That could have been. Well, that's one TV that won't be brainwashing us anymore. And now the demons are gone for good. Go back to hell from which she came. The fire burns. And the fire burns, Mr. Wayne. And now the fire burns, Mr. Wayne. You merely lived in the ashes and the darkness. But I was born into the darkness, and now I must break you. The devil called us. The fire. And the fire, insanity grew. And the fire burned and grew brighter, brighter. I watched the burning. We burnt the RV that night. We all watched as Daddy drove the Caterpillar through the RV into the fire. We took turns throwing bricks through the windows of the old RV. There was nothing left but shrapnel. We were power hungry on destruction. A sort of bloodlust. We burned everything we could. And then we buried the dog. Fire just kept burning, incinerating my fears, incinerating my fears, incinerating the shame, incinerating my failures. It just burned away. It just kept burning. The smell of the fire. I'll never forget that smell. Smell of plastic. Smell of so many different. That smell, that black smoke. I'll never forget it. The fire. The fire burns. Insane. Thank you. What do you think about that, buddy? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Is that big fire? Is it scary? You're scared, aren't you? You're just scared.